Hi everybody, welcome to HipShout. I want to give you a quick demo of the site. HipShout is a website where you can make quick mobile-friendly web pages which can be accessed via a QR code. And hopefully I can show you right now why that is an incredibly useful thing to do. I'm going to do this very quickly. This is a shout. You want to put some text up here, as much or as little as you want, and we recommend attaching an image because an image just makes your mobile web page look that much nicer. And I'm going to put the word Northwoods here in the field tag your QR code, and I'm going to show you in just a second why I did that. It's easier to show you in a moment. And I'm going to hit the Shout It button, and I'm done. We've created we're in the process of creating that web page here, and I'm going to show you the QR code. And you know when we said how we had the word Northwoods in there, that is why, because you can actually tag the QR code to give the user some information as to what they're actually going to look at when they see this QR code. They're going to understand that it's HipShout, and that's great, because they'll understand what the experience in general is going to be. But more specifically, they're going to be like, okay, this has something to do with the Northwoods. Now, a more real-world application of that might be a restaurant using HipShout. If they put their menu on HipShout, and then they put the word menu underneath, and people will understand, okay, I'm going to see a menu. On this page, you can save this image. You can copy it and print it just by right-clicking here. I'm going to take you back in here to this page where you can see that we have this Zazzle link. If you want to have the QR code printed on some other merchandise like posters, pins, stickers, we have that set up on Zazzle so that you can do that. We also have it set up so you can have your QR code printed on a skateboard. I'm not exactly certain what you would do with that, but if you do, tell me. And this is the page itself. As you can see, you have the nice picture on top here. That is that text. This is a shout. Now this is pretty much, this is the desktop view, but it's very close to what the user is going to see in a mobile view. And when you come to a website and you come to some information, what do you normally want to do with that information? Well, you oftentimes will want to share it, and so we've facilitated that. So you can share these websites, or these web pages I should say, on Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, or Google+. You can also add this to a favorites page, and I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to add that to my user account's favorite page. And because I created this this shout, my user account information is shown underneath that. You can click that. You can actually come to my page itself. As you see on my page, this is the page defaults to showing all the favorites, and we just created this shout, and we also favorited it at the same time, and so it came up on the favorites page. If you go to the shouts page, these are all the shouts which I've created. Again, you'll find that same shout there. And these are all just kind of, it's a trial page for me right now. This is a trial account. That's why it says trial size bio. This is another option that you have to follow users on HipShout. And this is my real account, and I have my fake account following my real account. This is an avatar of me, and these are some of the shouts which I've created using this account. As you can see, I've been using this image quite a bit here. That's about it. That's a good overview of the site itself. It's pretty simple, hopefully very intuitive. If you have any questions, you can get them to me using this feedback form here. There'll be an email address in there which you can reach us with. Hope you enjoy the site and find it very useful, and have fun hip shouting.